what does it take to be super fit and super sexy? Super fit is just eating right, exercising, following some amount of discipline as far as your meals and your workouts are concerned. And super sexy is a state of mind. Feeling sexy, being sexy is a state of mind. If you feel sexy in your head, you look sexy.
Being a celebrity, everybody wants to know what you're doing, what you're doing.
I was really enjoying talking on the mic, yeah. What the hell? Okay. What is Zumba?
Dance.
No, we dance enough in films. Bollywood dancing is great workout.
So how do you react to things like that? You reacted quite violently last time when they kept asking you, have you lost weight? So.
Yeah, the reason was because there was a disease that got attached to it, which I was appalled because like I was saying. It's not so important what my weight is or what Karina's weight is. It's really not a national issue that it deserves that much importance. There's lots of things that you can talk about. I've seen some girls who don't have like a flat stomach, wearing like bikinis and just walking so confidently, and I feel like, yeah, kya baat hai? I mean, yeah, I love it. That's what I'm saying. It's super. I mean, if you like the way you're looking, like I said, yeah, I mean, if I'm shooting for a film, if it requires me to have weight and then wear a bikini, I do it. But I think it's nice to have a flat, a flat stomach if you want, you have a flat stomach and toned arms and just nice toned legs. As an actor, it's my responsibility. Not really my responsibility, but as much as I can, I'll try to be responsible. That whatever I do it sets a right example in front of young girls. So that really upset me that that I was trying to make young girls follow the wrong trend. I don't want anybody to follow anything that I do. That's what I do. You should do what you want to do. If there's something that I do which is right and it works for you, then it's great. If it doesn't work for you, please don't follow it. I have not followed anything that anybody has ever done in my life. So I feel like why should anybody follow what I'm doing in my life? Yeah, as an actor, you have to utilize your body in different ways to make your characters as believable as possible. We're in a very good time where films that are being made, scripts that are getting written, have a sense of reality in them. So the more real you can look on screen, the better your performance is going to be. So I too like to use my body for that. I mean, I have no qualms in gaining weight for a film if I have to, or losing weight for a film if I have to. Like I don't